Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love a good cup of coffee, but after a recent trip to Italy, I was kind of ruined for coffee that I'm making at home. But something that has helped a little bit is this Kimbo beautiful Italian ground coffee.
This can of ground coffee, which is blended and roasted in Italy, smells and looks beautiful. I love that it comes in this can, which was pressurized, so the coffee was super, super fresh when it came to me. I personally keep the can in the fridge to help keep it nice and fresh while I'm using it. So I have used this in my mocha pot, and it makes the most delicious little cups of coffee. I love it so much, and it's just rich and beautiful. I think it tastes good black just the way it is, but of course I've added a little bit of sugar to it as well, or a little bit of creamer, and it is so incredibly delicious however you take it. It's got this rich, nutty, bold flavor, but not too bitter. I find it to be very, very smooth. I've also used this in my pour over. It's suitable for all different types of coffee makers, so you can even use this with a pour over or a different type of maker. And no matter how I've made it, this coffee comes out delicious every single time.
If you want to bring a little taste of Italy home and have a delicious cup of Italian coffee, it might not be the exact same thing as being in Italy, but it is delicious and smooth and strong. And I highly recommend checking it out if you love a good cup of coffee. But that's just my point of view.